You can easily change the cartoon character in any of Levidio Animatoon templates. Simply right-click on the character and then choose Change Picture from a file, and then you can choose from a huge variety of animated or static character that we have provided, or you can choose from your own collection as well. And then you can resize it a bit, and there you go. So that's how you can basically use Levidio Animatoon for almost any product or niche. Hey, it's Maulana Malik here from Levidio Animatoon, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily edit or customize our template in 2 minutes. The result may differ if you need more advanced editing, but here I just want to show you that Levidio Animatoon is super easy to use. So let's get started. As you can see here, we can easily change any text inside the template so that you can basically use this template for virtually any niche you can think of. You can also resize the text to fit on the design just like this. You can drag and drop to move the position, and then you can also copy paste from your video script as well. And the most importantly, that you can change the character that will turn this template into a unique video for any niche. For example, here I'm using doctor character. And for your information that we have provided you over 2000 animated and static character in various niche that you can integrate with any of our template. You can also change the logo, you can change the text logo. It's really easy. And if you don't see anything on your slide, simply go to shape format and then click on selection pane. You can temporarily disable certain layers. For example, let's disable these transition layers so you can see the actual content behind it, and change text or characters as you wish. And if you've done with the editing, you can just reactivate the transition layers just like this. You can do the same step here, and don't forget to reactivate the transition layers after you've done with the editing. Just like this. And then last but not least, let's move to the last slide where you can add your business details such as social media account, and then your website here, your business address here, and then you can put your phone number here. You can also change this character, just right click on it, go to change picture from a file, and then you can choose from more than 2000 animated and static character. And then you can go to file, export, create a video, and then you can render your work up to 4K video quality. And that's it. Remember that it's just from one template. You will get thousands of templates and assets inside Levidio Animatoon that you can mix and match to create even more unique videos. So what are you waiting for? Get Levidio Animatoon now and start creating attractive animated video in minutes.